Next, in Thailand, between 1998 to 2014, the National Human Rights Commission reported that more than 37 human rights defenders were extrajudicially killed or forcibly disappeared. One prominent disappearance case from 2014 that remains unsolved is that of Porjali Rakchongcharoen, a well-known Karen human rights defender actively campaigning for Karen in Keng Krachan National Park. Billy was last seen as he was arrested by the National Park Chief Chaiyaphum Hitaksorn on 17 May 2014. The investigation into Billy's disappeared remains pending at the Department of Special Investigation and other relevant police units. The latest case of enforced disappearance is that of Mr. Den Kamlae, last seen entering a forest to collect food on 16 April 2016. Mr. Den was a land rights defender from the Khok Yao community, Kon San district, Chaiyaphum province. After occupying their land for 45 years, Mr. Den's community is now facing eviction. Since 2015, Mr. Den was leading a network of local villagers to re-establish their right over the land. Although Mr. Den's wife filed a complaint with the Haiyang police station in relation to her husband's disappearance, the police failed to conduct an investigation and made no attempt to help her search for her husband. Currently, Frontline Defenders, a Dublin-based rights group, lists Mr. Den's status as disappeared on its website. According to a Frontline Defenders spokesperson, it remains unclear who is responsible for Den's abduction, but the government must be held accountable for its apathy towards disappearances and killings of land rights defenders in Thailand.